Hi, my name is Rachel, and Tyler and I decided to explore all the different graphics applications of style transfer for our project. We gravitated toward this topic just because of all the cool artwork we saw online, and we were able to do this by referencing a lot of different papers and documentation that we found. So we utilized extracted features from a convolutional neural network to identify interesting parts of an image that we could then optimize through loss functions, our loss functions being content and style. We were able to do this through a GPU implementation in PyTorch in Google Cloud and got some really interesting results, as you can see here and here. So that was the extent of our artistic applications and research, but we want to even further explore the extent that style transfer could have on graphics as a whole by emulating different graphics concepts. Some didn't work, but the ones that did were anti-aliasing, where we could effectively transfer the sharpness of one image as a style onto another. Image relighting, where we could capture the lighting of an image as a style and transfer that to the same scene at a different time of day. And texture mapping, where we could run the texture map of an object through our model and capture the different interesting features of the painting, such as Van Gogh's Starry Night or an Aztec painting here, where you can see all these interesting bumps, and map that back onto our object. But the application that we explored the furthest was virtual reality, where we ran our model through stereoscopic images, allowing us to view them in VR. So we style transfer the left and right images individually and combine them to showcase interesting depth features. But one issue that we found was that due to the slight offset between these images, they're optimized differently and had slight discrepancies. As you can see here, this area is a little more green than this, and this can cause fatigue to those interacting with our demo. If we had the technical capabilities, we could have implemented a spatial loss function that enforces a hard constraint on the depth information, but still, regardless, we built an iOS app in Unity using the Google VR SDK so that those that were viewing our project can interact with it as well. So that was the extent of style transfer that we explored, and we had a lot of fun creating really interesting artwork as well as kind of pushing the bounds of what people consider using style transfer for. Thank you so much.